Do you want to speak English fluently but don't know where to start? Do you feel nervous when you try to speak? Or do you run out of words after just one sentence? The good news is that you don't need complicated grammar books or expensive courses to improve. All you need is the right practice plan that you can follow every single day. In this video, I will give you a step-by-step daily practice routine that will help you go from shy beginner to confident speaker. Stay with me till the end, because if you follow these steps consistently, English will soon become a natural part of your life. Welcome back to English Academy, your space for learning English in a simple and effective way. Today's lesson is specially designed for beginners who want to start speaking English every day. The secret to fluency is not how much you study, but how regularly you practice. Daily speaking is the fastest way to build confidence, learn new words, and sound natural. So let's build your daily speaking practice plan together. Why daily speaking practice works. Language is like a muscle. If you train it every day, it becomes strong. If you ignore it, it becomes weak. Speaking English every day, even for just 10 minutes, keeps your brain active and helps you remember words faster. Imagine trying to learn swimming by only reading about it once a week. You will never become a good swimmer. But if you practice swimming daily, you will improve quickly. The same rule applies to English. Step 1. Start with simple and useful sentences. Many learners try to speak complicated sentences in the beginning and then get frustrated. The smarter way is to start with very simple, useful, and repeatable sentences. For example, I am hungry. I need water. This is my phone. I am going to work. Practice these simple sentences every day until they come out automatically without thinking. Once you are comfortable, slowly add new words and longer sentences. Think of this as building a house. You cannot start with the roof. You must first build the foundation. Step 2. Mirror practice for confidence. When you stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself in English, you train two things at the same time: your mouth muscles and your confidence. Look into your eyes and say sentences like, "Hello, my name is Jack. I am learning English because I want to speak fluently. I can do it." At first, you might feel shy or silly, but over time you will become more comfortable hearing your own voice. The mirror also helps you notice your facial expressions, your lip movements, and even your body language while speaking. Step 3. Train your brain to think in English. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is translating everything in their head. Translation takes time, confuses your brain, and makes you nervous. To fix this, you must train your brain to think in English directly. For example, when you see food, don't think this is food in your native language and then translate. Just say food. When you feel thirsty, don't think in your native language. Say, I need water. Start with simple objects around you and describe them in English. This is a chair. This is my pen. That is a window. Slowly, your brain will stop translating and start thinking naturally in English. Step 4. Daily self-talk practice. Self-talk is one of the most powerful daily exercises. Talk to yourself about what you are doing. For example, I am waking up now. I am brushing my teeth. I am making breakfast. I am leaving for work. Describe your day in English step by step. At first, keep it simple. Later, add more details. Instead of saying, I am eating, say, I am eating bread and eggs for breakfast. This practice not only improves fluency but also connects English with your real life. Step 5. Learn and use daily conversation phrases. Conversations are built with small, simple phrases. Learning these will make speaking easier. Here are some examples. How are you? I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? I am reading a book. Can you help me? I don't understand. Please say it again. Practice these every day. Use them in real life whenever possible. Over time, they will become automatic responses, and you won't need to think about them. Step 6. Speak with a partner or online. If you can find a friend, classmate, or colleague who also wants to learn English, practice speaking with them. Ask each other questions and answer in English only. For example, what is your name? My name is Jack. Where are you from? I am from California. If you don't have a partner, don't worry. You can use apps or online platforms to connect with other learners. The important thing is to speak to another person, not just yourself. Speaking with real people builds confidence and prepares you for real-life situations. Step 7. Record yourself and listen back. Every day, choose one topic like my family, my daily routine, or my hobbies. Speak about it for 1 to 2 minutes and record your voice on your phone. After recording, listen carefully. Notice your mistakes in grammar, pronunciation, or fluency. Try again and improve the next day. This exercise is like having your own personal teacher. Step 8. Watch, listen, and repeat. Listening is also part of speaking practice. Watch English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos with subtitles. Repeat after the characters. If you hear a sentence like, I am very happy today, pause and repeat it exactly the same way. This will improve your pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Over time, you will sound more natural. Step 9. Make English a daily habit. Don't wait for a perfect time to practice. Make English part of your daily routine. Speak while cooking, while walking, or even while showering. The more you use English, the more confident you will become. Remember, success is not about practicing for 2 hours once a week. It's about practicing for 10 to 15 minutes every single day. Conclusion. Speaking English fluently is not about luck or talent. It is about practice, consistency, and patience. Start small, speak daily, and don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Every day you practice, you are one step closer to fluency. So promise yourself today, I will speak English every single day, no matter what. Thank you for watching this lesson with English Academy. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more powerful English learning lessons. And remember, every word you speak in English brings you closer to your dream of fluency. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next lesson.